ko na. Bukan dito. Oh, classmate mo yan, no? Una to. Pagting wala na. Talita kayo galamo tao. Okay lang din, okay lang. Okay lang din.
The Lord is inviting us always not to forget.
Hindi kami bati ito.
But to put in our hearts this
review sa wali
or
ba?
this attitude of gratitude that should always be in our hearts. In Colossians, the Apostle Paul gives us some reasons why we should give thanks to God. In Psalm 103, the psalmist said, "Think of the good things." But the Apostle Paul in Thessalonians said, "Give thanks in all circumstances." In other words, all circumstances. Sa tanan nga sitwasyon sa atong ginabuhi, whether it is good or whether it is not good. The psalmist isolated the thought, the idea of giving thanks for the good things, the things that gives beneficial to us, beneficiary to us. Things, he said, forgetting all his benefits. Ito mga butang na nakatag siyang benepisyo para sa atin. Pero sila ni Pablo sa Thessalonians, in all circumstances, in whatever circumstances, situation, whether it is good or whether it is not pleasing to us. But here in Colossians, this is a wonderful